A cat was thrown from a crashing airplane. This is the most dramatic rescue of a cat I've ever seen. When the pilot opened the side window to take a photo of the cloud formations, their cat, who had never been in an airplane before, got scared and tried to run away. But as the plane lost altitude, the cat panicked and jumped out of the window. As the plane crashed into the water, people rushed to the scene to help. And when they looked in the wreckage, they saw the cat, dazed but alive. They quickly pulled the cat out of the water and to safety. And when the pilot saw what had happened, they were devastated. They couldn't believe that their cat had really jumped out of the plane, but they were so relieved that their cat was alive. As the sun set over the horizon, the pilot and their cat were finally reunited. They had both been through a lot, but they were safe now. And as they looked up at the sky, they knew that they would never forget this day.